Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up your WireGuard. First of all, go ahead and open your PC and then go to your browser. Search in the URL section for WireGuard, so here it is, and then go ahead and click on this first link. Here you will find a bunch of informations like simple, easy to use, some stuff about it. So here it is, everything about it that you can actually get. And to be able to actually install it, you can just click on here in the installation, and here is it, the white paper if you wanted to read this by your own. So here it is, and this is like a bunch of information about it, and you can see everything in here if you want to do so. Now let's go here, and to be able to download it, you have 5 options. You have for Windows, Mac OS, and this one, Android and iOS. So for Windows, you just have to click download Windows installer. Here we go. And all you need to do now is click in here. Yes. And it shall be starting to install. So as you can see here. Now, if you want to do anything, so here it is. So if you want to add a tunnel, you can just click here to add a tunnel. If you want any tunnel, if you want to import any tunnels, well, you can just import it from this option in here. Here you can delete tunnels, you can go through folders, and here you can see the log that you have. So the time and log message and everything about it, you'll find it in here. So yeah guys, so once more you just have to go to wireguard.com through your browser, so which is a pretty simple thing, just like so, and then all you need to do is go to the installation from here and download it for whatever operating system you have, for example Windows, macOS, Ubuntu, Android and iOS. Of course there's other things like they are unlimited, so you can go through this by your own. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.